My name is Aygul Hakimova. Yeah, and I will be your moderator today. I would like to introduce Dr. Lana Zdravkovic. She is running this project. I'm also very happy to welcome our group moderators.
Not compare the knowledge for someone who's coming from Bosnia or Serbia as in same group from the Middle East or Africa, like no way, or it's not logical in same group with people.
We were talking about the working conditions and labor rights, and as you can see, there's huge amounts of problems.
We divided the session into two parts. So in the first part, we looked at the long list of 10 questions dealing with what does it really mean to participate, what does it really mean to be a part of society. So we answered this actually with the motto of the European Union, which is United in Diversity.
And we talk about the communities, what we do in our communities. We said we participate in festivals, we do daily life, we participate in daily life community activities, and then community projects like this.
تواصل كمان صعب مع المدرسين في هيك يعني